Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another beautiful bag to show you. So this is the Coach Kelsey, and I really like this. It's a super lightweight bag and it's a really lovely tactile leather, and then a lovely springy summery colour as well. It's just super bright and lovely, kind of happy colour. So we've got double top handles. We've got that little Coach dog tag attached to those top handles. And then we've got one removable strap, which is adjustable as well. We have it on the shortest setting at the minute, so you can see you've got quite a few options to make it longer. We've got a zip top closure, all with this gorgeous gold hardware as well. So zip top closure, and then inside the bag, we've got one flat pocket. And on the opposite side we've got another two flat pockets, and all of that fabric lining throughout, and you can see we've got that little leather Coach badge inside the bag as well. So that is the features. The condition of this bag we have called good all around. It is in a really lovely condition, and that colour you can see still looks really nice. There's very minimal wear to those corners. In fact, those corners just look almost perfect actually. The only place where it's showing wear on that base is just here. You can see a little bit of discoloration on that cream colour, and then we've just got a few other small signs of wear, so a little bit of perhaps a pen mark just there, and a little mark just there as well. And on this opposite side again, got another little mark just here, and a little one just here as well. So small little marks on that exterior. That is why we've called it good. But again, it's in a really nice condition, and that colour still looks lovely on the exterior. The hardware we've called good. There's just kind of little hairline scratches and a bit of fade into that gold tone. So you can see on the corners, on the edges of that zip pull, where that gold tone has started to fade a little bit. So that is why we've called that hardware good. But overall it's in that lovely kind of pale gold tone, and just looks really lovely, especially on this cream coloured leather. It's a lovely combination. And then the interior, again we've called good. There's just minimal signs of wear. There's a little bit of marking on that base. So right on the base of that bag you can see that small pale mark just there. So you can just tell that it has been used before, but nothing super significant, no major signs of wear for me to show you. So that is why we have called that condition of this Kelsey good. The exact measurements for it are going to be in the link in the description below. So if you click that link, it should hopefully take you directly to this coach on our website, armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of thing that you're looking out for, all you have to do is let us know, send us over an email, or you can fill out the contact us form, which you'll find on our website as well. Let us know that you're looking out for one of these, and we will help you look out for one. As soon as we have one in, we'll send you through an email, we'll give you the link to shop, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list, exact measurements on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I'll start off with that removable strap. So you can have it on your shoulder like that, or sits perfectly as a crossbody as well. And again, we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. So if you want to pop it on a little bit of a longer setting, you've got that option. It's just super lightweight. This strap is really comfortable. The bag is really lightweight, so you can fit loads of essentials in there without it getting too heavy, and it will still sit really nice and comfortably. Or if you wanted to pop that strap off, it's really easy to do that. You can see those clips just slide off on either side, very nice and simply, and then you've just got those double top handles which you can pop on your arm like that, and it's just a really beautiful, perfect summer bag, in a lightweight leather in a gorgeous colour. So if you are looking for a pretty bag like this one, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And also have a look at the How to Sell Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. All the details you need to know are on there, so have a read through. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want you to miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.